then 12. Now because we did the work on a mockup, okay, so once you save it, everything is going to the mockup. So you can save the PSD format of this particular work. So you can save this, you can set it to PSD, the first one, okay, and save it somewhere. Do you get me? Okay, so once you are done, you can go ahead and click on this particular thing, close it. Okay, so you save changes to Adobe document cover 20. Yes, so you go ahead and save it. So this is going to appear on the mockup for you. Okay, so let's go to the mockup. Very good, absolutely beautiful. So this is going to appear on the mockup like this for you. Okay, now what we are going to do next is that, so because this is the front cover page, you can also do the back cover page. I have given you the clue. So the back cover, so this is the cover, so the back cover is this one. So you can just name, let's do the back cover, let's name it anything. Okay, so let's say we are going to write financial, okay, financial financial plus conference / dinner. If it is not showing, then let's change the color to black. Okay, good, so that we see it. Okay, so we are going to get something like this. Okay, good, so we are going to get something like this, and then let's expand it like this. Okay, so we want the cover up or the back cover. Okay, and then let's copy this, and then let's write the theme. Okay, so let's write the theme. We all know that the theme is building financial, let's check it well, building system for financial freedom. So okay, so building systems for financial freedom. Okay, don't worry, we are going to reduce the, so we picked black, so I think let's pick regular for this. Okay, and then let's reduce the size to something like this. All right, let's check everything if it is okay. The financial, I don't think it's, the spelling is correct. Okay, so financial freedom, good, so I think this is, we can change even the color and then pick blue or something. All right, anyhow we want it. Okay, so let's say, I think this is okay. All right, good. Okay, I think this is beautiful. Okay, or you can bring it here. All right, but let's bring it at the center. Yes, so align it here at the center. Very good. Let's go up a little bit. So let me do it this way. I think this is okay. Then let me deepen the blue, something like this, and then let me highlight and give it red. I just want to give it the back cover. Okay, something like this, and then copy this and write 2020 or at 2023. Okay, all right, good. And then let's increase the size. All right, align it. Okay, so this is going to be the back, and then let's save it and see. So just close it, and it's going to appear at the back. So you see, so as you see, financial plus conference / dinner. So that is what it has appeared at the back of the brochure or the exercise book. So this is, if you send this to the client or to the person will get to know that, okay, so this is the book, and the book, the front cover is going to be this, and the back cover is going to this, and this is actually the open. Okay, so for now let's do the back. and then the front. Maybe God willing tomorrow I will, or yes, the next day I will do a video on the cover, sorry, the inside, okay, which is absolutely going to give this, which is going to be this. All right, let me show it to you. This is going to be this. That will be another day. So for now, we've gone to know the front and then the back. Okay, so let's take time and do the same thing. Do it and make sure that you write your name, your number on it. Make sure that you write your number, for example. So once you save it this way, close all the folders, okay, and then select the first one here and then write your name on it. Okay, just write your name here. So like this, like my name, Edward Amwakun. This way, write your name somewhere here. Okay, and then you can even increase the size if you want to. Okay, so something like this. So if you write your name here and then you save your work, you know how to save it. Yes, go ahead and save it as JPEG. Okay, let's save it to desktop. All right, go ahead and click OK. Okay, all right, okay, so this is it. So you can also apply it on this particular mockup, but I will give all the mockups to you for you to practice it. Okay, for you to practice. So let me go to my desktop. So this is actually the work. So let's open it and then we see. So this is it. So this is our work. You see my name there. So please do the same thing. Don't rush, relax and do it. Take your time and do it. It's going to go a long way. I know the video is long. I'm going to just shorten everything to make it very short for you. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.